Ever wondered what goes into your skincare products? It's crucial to know. Imagine crafting them at home with natural ingredients. Stick around to discover how to create your own skincare products. Creating your own skincare products is easier than you think. It's about finding the right ingredients, preparing them, and mixing them in just the right proportions. The beauty? You can customize each concoction to your skin's unique needs. Ready to dive into the process? Here we go. First, gather all your natural ingredients. Let's talk about some common ones. Honey, a powerhouse of antioxidants, just needs a good stir. Aloe vera, a soothing agent, requires careful extraction from its leaf. Essential oils, the aroma providers, are ready to use as is. Blend these together per your skin's needs, creating a face mask or body lotion. And voila! Your own skincare product is ready to use. So, to recap the process, mix, melt, blend, and voila! DIY skincare gifts you control, customizability, and the thrill of creation. So why not give it a try? Your skin will thank you.